Hi and welcome. Today's practice is a little shot of espresso right into body and mind. It's just a way to get you started in the morning, or if you need that little bit of extra energy for later in the day. So we're going to start seated. Come to a nice, comfortable seat. Sit up nice and tall. Close your eyes. And start breathing through your nose. All the way into your belly. And then we're going to start a little breathing exercise called breath of fire. And it's these little short, sharp exhales through the nose. So like, and as you exhale, you feel your belly go. And that also means that because of the energy you put into that strong, short exhale, that your inhale kind of happens automatically. As you come to the bottom of your exhale, immediately your belly just goes and you fill your lungs again. Sit up nice and tall, deep inhale, and breath of fire. Deep inhale. Slow exhale. Take a moment to feel the heat that just built up in your body. This is a breath exercise to build heat and build energy. So it's great when you need that little bit of a boost. We're going to do one more cycle. Deep inhale. And breath of fire. Deep inhale. Slow exhale. Just take a moment to let everything calm back down. And then hands to your knees. Start circling your torso. Moving with your own breath, change direction. And come to center. Reach your arms up. And then come into cactus arms. Open up your chest. Exhale, hug the invisible bear. So rounding your upper spine. Inhale, back to cactus. Exhale, hug the bear. Inhale, back to cactus. Make your way onto all four. And start moving into cat-cow. And add whatever needs to be added here. So feel free to side bend, hips circling. Just saying good morning to your body. Getting all those little cracks out.
And then tuck your toes, lift your hips up and back, keep your knees bent. And take a couple of rolls here. Imagine a wave is moving through your body, rolling forward vertebra by vertebra. Lower your hips, open up your chest. And roll all the way back. One more time. And back. Stay on your tippy toes. Keep those knees bent. And I want you to roll onto the outside knife edge of your left foot, inside of your right foot. Keep the knees bent. And then inhale, reach your right arm up over your head. Take a nice little side stretch as you're bending into the knees. And come over to the other side. Reach your left arm up and over your head. Breathe into that left side of your rib cage. And back to center. Find that first down dog of the day. Get to walk it out, fidget. And then walk to the front of your mat. Come into your ragdoll forward fold. Make sure you're nice and loose in your shoulders and your neck. And then slowly come rolling up. Reach your arms up. Exhale, hands to your heart. Inhale, reach. And then come into a chair pose. Fold. Inhale, lengthen. Step back to plank pose. Come all the way down onto your belly. Interlace your hands behind you. Reach your hands down towards your heels. Lift your chest. Lift your legs. Locust. And come back down. Hands by your chest. Cobra. And come back down. Tuck your toes. Lift up into a plank pose. Downward facing dog. Inhale, lift your right leg up. Step forward, come into your lunge. Reach your arms up. Hands to the mat. Step back to plank pose. Down onto your belly. Interlace your hands behind you again, locust. And come back down. Hands by your chest. Cobra. Shoulders away from your ears. Slowly come back down. Tuck your toes. Plank pose. Downward facing dog. Inhale, reach your left leg up. Step forward, come into your lunge. Hands to the mat. Step back to plank pose. Vinyasa. Look forward. Step to the front of your mat. Come into a chair pose. And forward fold. Inhale, lengthen. Step back to plank pose, Vinyasa. Inhale, lift your right leg up.
Step forward, come into your lunge. And then open up into a warrior two. Actively press into that back foot. Press all four corners of that front foot into the mat. So you really got that activity and energy in your body. Inhale, reverse. Exhale, windmill down. Both of your hands on the inside of your right foot. Come into a lizard pose. And you get to explore here. I like to move. So often you see these lizard poses that are just stagnant, you're staying. I like to get into the hips. So, of course, if you have very, very tight hips, moving in this pose might be too much for you, in which case, stay still. But if it feels good to get in there, don't be afraid to do so. And step back to plank pose. Vinyasa. Inhale, lift your left leg up. Step forward, come into your lunge. Warrior two. Keep breathing through your nose. Long, slow breathing, even though you're building up some heat. Inhale, reverse. Exhale, windmill down. Come into your lizard pose. Step back to plank pose. Vinyasa. Look forward. Step to the front of your mat. Get up on your tippy toes, bend your knees, come into a little toe balance. Lower your heels to the mat. Lower your butt to the mat. Lower your back. Lift your arms up, palms facing each other, and then pull your arms back into the sockets so you feel the back of your shoulders press into the mat, and you feel that upper part of your spine lift. Keep that engagement as you lower your arms and lift up into a bridge pose. Your whole back body is lifting here. And slowly lower back down. Keep the natural curve in your spine. One more time, lift your arms up. Pull your arms back into the shoulder sockets. Lower your arms. Bridge pose. And lower down. Hug your knees to your chest. And then let your left leg come flat down. Keep hugging your right knee. Give it a good squeeze. And then take a reclined twist. Come back to center. And move over to the other side. Give that left knee a good squeeze. Right leg comes flat down. And take a reclined twist. And come back to center. And find your Shavasana. Take a minute to close your eyes, relax your body, relax your breath. Remember, this is not about going back to sleep. You're full of energy. It's just about letting your body and your nervous system absorb the work you just did. And then gently move your fingers and your toes. Roll over onto your side. And come back to seated. Let your chin come down to your chest. And take a couple of circles with your head. Change direction. And come to center. And take a couple of deep breaths through your nose. Let your belly expand as you inhale. Slow exhale. Thank you for practicing with me today. Namaste.